Hi guys, Train Clips HD here. Welcome to episode 2 of the Riviera. First to appear is... Oh, I've just seen this one. 150239 to Plymouth. This is 1308 Great Western Railway service to Plymouth. Next train to depart Dawlish platform 1 is the 1308 Great Western Railway service to Plymouth. Calling at Plymouth, Abbott, Totnes, Ivybridge and Plymouth. 150239. I seen this later this morning at Paynton. A minute ago I missed a couple of non-stoppers. There was a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington and a Great Western Railway and a cross-country service to Plymouth. That goes down to Plymouth. Next stop that will be Teignmouth. The next service is a cross-country service to Leeds. Was 384 on the front. That is now off to Leeds via Exeter, St David's and Birmingham New Street. I did not expect this. This was completely out of blue. I just happened to look that way and I thought, oh no, there's HST coming, so I'll just quickly next to arrive at Dawlish platform 1 is the 1318 Great Western Railway service to Paynton from Exmouth. 143 620 on the front, that's off to Paynton. I will pack the rear on the departure. Next to arrive here at Dawlish platform 2 is the 1319 Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's. Also the Pacers departing at the same time. 150249. That is now off to Paynton via Teignmouth, Newton Abbott, Torquay and Paynton. And there is the 1319 Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's from Paynton. And there is the 2 Pacers off to Paynton. Next train to depart from platform 2 is the 1320, it wasn't the 1319, 1320 Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's, 150249. It's now to Exeter St David's. There it goes. This is a non-stop service to London Paddington from Plymouth. I think right that's the rear the best I can. 3136. And that is now on the rear to London Paddington. Next stop for that will be Exeter St David's. Bristol's also another non-stop train coming through. Should be any minute now, we'll film that one. Next to arrive is 150123, the 1351 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. And on the rear is 153329. That's now going to wander off to Exmouth. Next to depart from platform 2 is the 1351 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. This is running approximately 4 minutes late. Still got quite a few stations to call out to Exmouth. 229. Now to Exmouth, running approximately 4 to 5 minutes late now. Next train to arrive is the non-stop service at platform 1 to Plymouth from Edinburgh Waverley. 221 Voyager. Didn't quite catch the number of that. If you did, please put it in the comments because I really do want to know. And that goes down to Plymouth. And the next train to arrive at platform 2 here at Dawlish is the 1424 cross-country service to Bristol Temple Meads 220033. It is on the 1424 cross-country service to Bristol Temple Meads. Calling at Exeter, St David's, Tiverton Parkway, Taunton, Bristol Parkway, and finally Bristol Temple Meads. The next train to depart platform 2 is the 1424 cross-country service to Bristol Temple Meads, calling at Exeter, St David's, Tiverton Parkway, Taunton, Bristol Parkway and Bristol Temple Meads cross-country service. 2200, can't remember actually. That is now off to Bristol Temple Meads. By Bristol Parkway. Right guys, just a slight bit of alteration here with 1429 Great Western Railway service to Paignton. Instead of it coming on the southbound platform, which is platform 1, it's coming on the northbound platforms. I'm not totally sure why, but yeah, I'm not actually sure totally why. It's due to some fast lane trains that's coming through very soon. That needs to go on to platform 1. Oh, and here it comes. In fact, I'm just going to stop the video instead of using it. Next to arrive at platform 2. It's the first time ever I've seen this since I've been train spotting career. 1429 Great Western Railway service to Paignton. Now, like I said in my last clip, hang on a second, 150101. Like I said in my last clip, there was a platform alteration due to some fast lane trains coming down. So 150101. Next train to depart platform 2 is a 1429 Great Western Railway service to Paignton. Also a Great Western Railway service coming. It's a HST. So this is a bit like a train race here now. Here it comes, this is going to be interesting. Here it comes like a train race. Train race. So I think that's why they need to put it on platform 2 because they couldn't stop that one at Dawlish. So that there is just exactly like a train race. Oh, that looks so funny. So there you go. And there's 150101 creeping out of Dawlish very, very slowly. And then there's a HST smashing through 75 miles an hour. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'm just about to go up to Starcross in a minute. Film there. All these videos will be going up tonight. So yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed so far. Starcross is my last episode of the series. My next series I'm aiming to do around Cornwall on the main line, not really the branch lines. Branch lines don't really interest me really, but mainline stuff really does interest me. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you do have any questions, just don't be afraid to chuck them in below, and I'll try to answer them the best I can off my heart. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.